This is the best copper pies that we are removed from this bed installations. All the copper pie they are select the thickness is very thin. It is the 0.7 for the inverter's pie. So it is not our recommend to use these pies. So right now we are remove it and we will reinstall the new pie with the thickness 0.8 for the inverter's ties. As we cannot welding like this. This is a very bad welding. We have to use the couplings, and we must use the correct the right tool to the flare that we increase the size here between this one and this one, and then we connect it together and then we do the welding. We cannot do it like this.